Are you looking to buy a business that ticks the boxes? Kiwi owned and operated, great customers, year-round work and huge growth potential. Hi, I'm Peter Nola from ABC Business Sales. Home-based businesses, meaning that you're able to work the times and days that best suits you. Sounds great, doesn't it? Well, that's what this business owner does. Being a home-based business, there are minimal overheads with excellent margins. Furthermore, there are no specialised skills, as full training is provided. The business is part of New Zealand's largest independent franchise supplier and installer of screen doors and window protection. Proudly New Zealand designed and developed for New Zealand conditions, and only the highest grade materials are utilised in the product range. The cash surplus for this business for 2018 was over $85,000. Changed circumstances for the owner of this business means an opportunity for you. An immediate sale is needed, so call me, Peter Nola, right now and grab your very own home-based business.